Thanks for joining us today. Today we're recapping all of our 2024 kill videos in this video. Now, we killed 248 birds this year, but I only managed to capture 163, which I still consider pretty good. Sit back and enjoy this video brought to you by Mid-Michigan Outfitters. Shoot him!
I think we both got that one then.
Let's shoot him, boys.
I for sure shot it. Damn it.
Shoot him!
Guys, smoked that one.
Go clean up. Wait. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him!
Got him. Hey, Gage, you doing?
Good job.
Shoot him. Get him. Shoot him! Oh, God. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Come on. On the right, you take that. Shoot him! Yeah! This is my man! Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him! Shoot him, shoot him. I fucking folded that.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot him, fucker.
You ready? Shoot him! You ready? Shoot him!
I mean, there's no way we're gonna get the win.
Keep going.
That was an easy shot. Good.
Shoot him. Got him. Hey!
Gage, you didn't.
Get back in, guys. Get back in.
Alright, babe. Slowly sit up and shoot the one on the right. Are you ready? Slowly do it. Slowly.
Alright, I got him.
That is way too high, but over us. Yeah, shoot him. Get down! Get down! Shoot him. Yeah! I couldn't get a shell in time. Nasty. Alright. Not getting any closer now, so I'm just gonna give it a try. Easy. Yeah. Get down! Let's get down though. Come on, buggers. They're high right now. Yep. I'll throw a pop shot, but I am. Real geese for the win. Shoot him!
I only got one.
Band. Yep. Give him a second to get used to us.
I'm going for the 3.
On the left or the right?
Right.
We'll take the ones on the left so I can shoot the ones on the right.
Alright.
Shoot them. 3. I'm taking me if they come over, dude. Yeah. No, they switched on us. Ready? Shoot him.
Yeah, perfect.
He's good. He's good.
Shoot him!
2, baby. Yeah. Shoot these though. Fuck you. He's on my end. You're not shooting that fucker. If you shoot over me.
I'm staying up to do it. Where's he at? I'm staying out.
I think we gotta shoot him here though.
Shoot him!
Yes, sir. I got 2.
That guy's
So far. All the way through now. Come on, all the way through. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through.
Shoot him!
Yes. I got 1.
Hey, kid, shoot.
All the way. Ready? Yep.
Shoot him!
I tripled.
Yeah, I didn't even hit mine.
Fly. I dare you. Absolutely. Yep. Shoot him. Me too.
Shoot him. I didn't get any.
Yep. Yep. Dude, this thing is. Wait. Get the one behind us. Yeah.
Shoot him!
Dude, I didn't even know what you were shooting at. I was like, what the fuck? She's banded! Yes! Shoot him! Oh, what the fuck? I folded this straight. Doing it or what?
Straight out front.
Oh, yep. Right here, right here. Wait.
Shoot him!
Oh, fuck. He got like triple tapped right there.
Yep.
Wait.
Oh, here comes the 2. Here comes the 2, Greg. Right in front. Can you get those 2, Greg?
Yep.
Shoot him!
Bingo!
We're 1 from Malaya, dude.
Dude, it like threw up a rainbow when I shot him.
Yep.
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Good!
Shoot him!
I folded my bird.
We're working the big group. You guys got like 2.
I think I just shot off my forearm.
Man, we gotta shoot him here, don't we?
Go down.
Shoot it! Shoot him! Shoot him! You guys have a shot on him? Alright. Shoot him! Get that one close. There's weight on my end. Yeah. Shoot him.
All yours, Greg.
Nice, dude, because I would add him if he did. I'll go grab it.
They want it.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, we did all that.
Is it really? Shoot him.
You gonna round off?
Yeah.
Shoot him. Oh my god.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. We did great this year. I really look forward to what the split brings along with next season. I'd like to end this video by saying some things I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for the 10 bands we shot this season. We're very grateful for it. It's awesome to get on that many birds and have that many of them be bands. I'm thankful for all the snow we got this year. It was awesome to be able to get out the snow covers and actually hunt. This is my 5th season hunting, and I have yet to be able to get out the snow covers, and we got to hunt with them several different times this year. I'm thankful for both Greg and my girlfriend. Greg is over the top and beyond anything I could ask for when it comes to a hunting buddy. He's dedicated, motivated, and at the end of the day, a great friend. My girlfriend, I'm so thankful that she got into this year. It was awesome to be able to get out and watch her whack a few birds and fall in love with something that I fell in love with 5 years ago. And I'm thankful for you viewers. I can't even express how thankful I am that you guys sit here and watch these 20-30 minute videos that I make. Now, I know they're not the best quality, but I hope that they entertain you guys. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Once again, thank you for watching.